Everybody fucking jump!
Alright, welcome back to the Ozone, everybody. Get this show underway. I'm making this video, unbox a pair of shoes and show the pair of shoes you will be buying on eBay if you're looking at the eBay ad. Get you guys a little bit of box action. This is a classic. This shoe reads the Air Jordan 1 High Retro OG Gatorade Orange Peel. Orange Peel. Got a little bit of box action so you can see the damage that's on the box. This is being sold as a damaged box there. See, it's not too bad, it's just the lid, which can be repaired. Guys also get the little Gatorade paper in the inside for those of you who haven't seen any of the Jordan 1 Gatorades. Supposed to be a towel in here. This pair doesn't come with the towel. Take out the good shoe. You guys like to see the laces. Like that. Shoe isn't bad. I like the collection. This orange peel was one of my favorite of the Gatorades. Get orange laces in the shoe. The materials on the shoe are absolutely top quality. You can see you get the extra green laces. These have been taken out of the bag and put back in. A pair of white laces, so you can swap out what you want. In fact, there might be 2 pairs of green laces in here. I have to check it out. I never opened it. All orange back. Just a complete orange shoe. Just outstanding. More orange. Then you guys get down to the translucent orange Gatorade bottom. That's my favorite part of this shoe. It's got a little bit of light action. Shoe's just so crisp and clean. This one here is a size 10, so if you're interested, click the link below. Go to my YouTube. You can have this shoe. I'm letting it go for pretty cheap. This is the damaged box. I have the full collection of these myself. The extra laces, all orange side panel with the Gatorade lightning bolt in the back. I hope you guys can make that out. That's a great shoe. We do a lot of customs with this shoe. When I first bought the shoe for was to make customs. I had seen that guy on YouTube make a black and orange pair. Let you guys see the inside of the shoe. Get a little Gatorade sock liner. All orange tongue. Leather orange mini Nike symbol up here. Alright, let me know if you guys got the Gatorades. I like the Gatorades myself. I forgot to show you guys the back of the tongue. The back of the tongue says "Be like Mike." It says something under the thing too. It says the same thing under the lid. Be like Mike. Like Mike. If anybody's old enough to remember those commercials, you could be like Mike. Be like Mike. Like Mike. Then 2 extra pairs of laces. Let you guys see what the shoe's gonna look like on your foot. Alright guys, let me know what shoes you're buying.
Everybody fucking jump!